Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope you are all on the same page on this regard that I'm providing a very important civil justice sign off for myself, and it's a multitasking is a wisdom. So that said, I will quickly read through the civil justice so that we all can be on the same page. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman Empire king, he wrote, as of February 2021, any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide. Can you help me? Scandal faces of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica at fault found guilty, prostitutes of at fault found guilty of fatal negligence is USA Republican government is proved, and at fault found guilty of fatal negligence of USA Democrat government is proved, and that is the live proof is USA FCC Telecommunications Apple nations agencies created the robocall poverty mandate is proved, and enforced poverty disability to I, Vedapriya Prose on October 2018 for Republican government of USA prostitute to steal the rightful Supreme Court judge job on for that rightful belongs to me in October 2018. So civil justice must be provided. So the domestic violent type provided by the Apple nations is breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, trespass to land and types, and trespass to chattels. So I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off, at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republica government and USA Democrat government as in USA FCC Telecommunications, Apple nations agencies created robocall poverty mandate, and with fatal negligence failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to Ayurveda Priya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government, GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh on October 2018 enforced poverty mandate by Vedapriya Prose, and abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 dollars on October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,000 plus dollars since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021, to Ayurveda Priya Prose, and enforced finance disability to Ayurveda Priya Prose abruptly, and it is a crime for at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, USA FCC telecommunications Apple nations agencies created robocall poverty mandate is proved, and when ruling USA never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to Ayurveda Priya Prose. So civil justices Ayurveda Priya Prose want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000 and sign off tax free $5,000, and at fault and found guilty at fault negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, USA FCC telecommunications Apple nations agencies created robocall poverty mandate with fatal negligence, so must sign off tax free $500,000 trillion to be direct deposited in my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species, and health creators, and at fault and found guilty Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. So thank you all for your time, my dear fellow men. Can take care. Bye now. Have a good day.